Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Steffany and today's video is number yay. Okay, so I'm going to start by priming my face with Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. For foundation today, I'm going to be using Armani Silk Foundation, and I am in the shade 7.5, and I'm going to be using my Artis Oval 8 brush. And to conceal my under eyes, I'm going to use NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the shade Ginger. And I'm going to use my Morphe E20 brush. To set my concealer and my foundation, I'm going to use Laura Mercier Loose Setting Translucent Powder, and I'm going to use the Glow Powder brush. The brush without dipping into more powder, I am going to set my foundation, and the primer that I'm going to be using is by Laura Mercier Eye Basics in the shade Wheat. That same E60 brush by Morphe. Today's eye makeup is going to be very simple. I'm going to use Shayla X ColourPop Perception Palette, MAC 224, and go into Culture and just add this all over my crease area. Promotion. And with my fingers, I'm going to go in to spill the tea and pack this on my lid. And now using a smaller tapered brush, this is Sigma E45, and I'm going to go in the shade Played Out, which is this dark brown shade, and just define the outer V. To go in with a pencil brush by Sigma, this is the E30 and the shade Unbothered, and just highlight the inner and underneath the brow. Shade Unleashed by NARS, and this is the Atomic Blonde palette, and this is a Sigma F10 brush. It's a Celia in the Afternoon. Ooh. And this is what it looks like. It's like a very pretty pink, and it has some shimmer. Highlighter, I'm going to use Chasing the Sun, and this is from the Desi X Kathy collection by Dose of Colors. I'm only gonna apply a little bit of color to my lash line, and I'm going to go back with this Atomic Blonde by NARS, and I'm gonna use this shade right here. And this is Morphe M430 brush, and just do a little wash of color under my eyes. Okay. I'm gonna apply a really light coat of mascara to the bottom and top lashes just to blend everything in. I'm gonna take off the excess off the wand before I go in. And just to be double safe, I'm going to apply it in the top one first, and just in the base of my own lashes, and then with my fingers, I'm gonna blend both lashes together. Okay. And then with my fingers, I like to kind of brush the bottom lashes a little bit too. So I'm gonna go in with MAC Boldly Bare. For lipstick, I'm going to be using Camila Coelho's line, and this is my favorite from the collection. This is Last Minute, and it is the perfect nude. This is the finished look, you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to